Hello, Douglas County. I'm Christy Williams, and I have the privilege of serving as your board president for the Douglas County School District.
And I'm Erin Kane, and I have the great privilege of being your superintendent. We are so happy to be talking to you today.
Thank you so much to our community for passing this bond. It is so incredibly important for our community, our staff, and our students.
We are just so excited to be able to start the effort of building 2 new schools for the first time since 2010 in Douglas County School District, and of making critical repairs and maintenance to all of our school buildings throughout our district. The money will be spent exactly as our taxpayers understood and exactly as we've laid out.
The board has the Mill Bond Oversight Committee, who has overseen the MLO that we passed last year in 23, and will have the privilege of now overseeing the bond that you all passed this year.
We will be showing our Citizens Committee every expenditure and every penny so that they can easily compare.
We will provide regular updates to our community throughout this journey, and we invite you to follow us by visiting our website.
And we just cannot thank all of the people who volunteered to make this happen over the last several months, who put in their own time and their own hours to go out and talk to citizens and paint cars and get out and help us get the word out about 5A.
Thank you so much.
And finally, we would like to once again thank all of the voters and our community in Douglas County for the tremendous support that you have shown for our schools and for our students. And for our part, we will continue to work to deliver amazing results so that all of our kids have the brightest future possible.
Thank you, Douglas County.